Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest more like this glitch on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then just you go down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps window here in this window, then you just go down here to looking for Pinterest up here in this window. We will just go to found Pinterest up here in this window here, then you click here on Pinterest and you just go to app info window here and you just click here on full stop, then you click here on OK, then you just go down, then you click here on storage and you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.